Imagine making $100 a day without spending a dime on expensive software. Thanks to AI, this is no longer a dream, it's a reality. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to make $100 a day using completely free AI tools in 2025. No fluff, no fake promises, just real strategies you can start using right after this video. AI isn't just for tech experts anymore. Free tools like ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut, and Notion AI can help you write, design, edit videos, and even automate work for clients. And guess what? People are paying for those exact services every single day. First, freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are full of clients looking for content, graphics, and video editing. Here's where free AI tools give you an edge. Use ChatGPT, free, to write blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions. Use Canva free for professional-level designs like logos, banners, and ads. Use CapCut, free to edit TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Clients pay $30, $50 per video. If you write 2 blog posts at $25 each and edit just 1 video for $50, that's $100 in one day. Second, content creation. You don't need to be on camera. You can use AI voice generators like ElevenLabs, free tier, with stock footage from Pexels or Pixabay to create faceless YouTube channels, TikToks, or Instagram Reels. Monetize with YouTube Shorts bonuses, affiliate links, or sponsorships. Example: post 3 shorts daily using CapCut templates plus AI scripts. Even at $5, $10 per day from ads or affiliate clicks, it stacks up fast. Third, print on demand. Use Canva free or Leonardo AI, free plan, to design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Upload them to Redbubble, Teespring, or Amazon Merch. Every time someone buys, you earn passive income. One simple design that goes viral on TikTok or Pinterest could make you $100 plus in a single day. Now, making $100 once is great, but doing it daily takes consistency. Here's how to scale. Batch content with AI so you always have material ready. Repurpose. Turn one blog post into a YouTube video, LinkedIn post, and Instagram carousel. Build a portfolio and reinvest your first $100 into better tools, ads, or outsourcing. So there you go. 3 powerful ways to make $100 a day using free AI tools in 2025. Start small, stay consistent, and within weeks, you'll see results. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI side hustle strategies, and drop a comment telling me which method you'll start with today. Remember, the best time to take action is now.